Hey guys, Big Daddy Liberty here. I'm in the Sodastream factory. Can you imagine it? I was able to manage to be able to get a tour with the rest of the gang. I'm not really going to say much. I just wanted to see how the Sodastream machines that you like and the Sodastream sodas that you drink, how they're made, and how they're made by ordinary people like you and me. So, as you can see, that's an assembly line of some sort. Very diverse work teams here, which again bursts the myth that somehow jobs are only for, Jews or anything like that. These are diverse working teams. People are trying to get around me here, and they're crashing the shot. But again, this is the real Israel. You know, it's very diverse working teams. People who call this place home, working in, and again, this is the beauty of the market. It provides jobs for everybody. Anyway, people are keen to be on the Big Liberty show. Where are you from, America? I'm from South Africa.
Welcome, Mandela.
Exactly. Hey, they know the big man. They know the big man. Thank you. Anyway, down there, as you can see,
That's America, yeah.
see, that is where they make the Sodastream machines that you like. I'm just going to come a little bit closer. I don't know if I'm breaking any rules. She's from Argentina. How crazy is that?
You is handsome. You is handsome.
But yeah, this is where the Sodastream machines that you and I enjoy, the very products that you and I drink from, are made. It's made by ordinary people in Israel. And that's what happens when your country is innovative. It embraces the market and market approaches. It creates opportunities for everybody. But anyway, let's keep this tour going, and hopefully I'll show you more of the Sodastream factory. Huh? Come on, let's keep it going.
So we decided to keep it here and give it an honorable point of reference something in our factory. We're going to start with our assembly factory because we're on the plastic factory. So let's go.
No, it's Sodastream.
Now I just want to...
Rise of the machines.
Everything, but numbers. You need emergency numbers, but also what is the code number for the area when incoming rocket from Gaza is coming?
How crazy is that?
And their area says that it's 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yes, between 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Now that's what you call a safety board.